Yeah, hi guys, this is Manas here. Actually, I will be demonstrating the data import tool. So previously data import tool is, am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. So previously data import tool is a page, so we have changed the data import to a doc type. So now you can import as many as data as you want to. So for that, let me quickly start. Okay. So just create a new dot type and change the dot type which you want to import. For example, if you want to just import the item, just select on the items. Uh, Now selecting the item, first you have to, okay, so first you have to download the template of a particular doc type. So for downloading the template, so if you want to download all the columns, so just select the columns and these fields are same as in the previous data import tool. But if you want to select the fields manually, you can just click on the manual and select all the fields which you want to import using the data import. So for example, if you want all the data import field with the data, so just click on this and download it. So the templated file will be downloaded along with the data. So for example, say this one. So this will contain, it is, the format is same as the previous data import tool. So for example, let's say actually I have created already a template file. So, okay, so I have added few additional items and we will just test. This is my older item iPhone. So if its item name is this one. So if I just want to change the item name, let's say I just want to change its item as Apple iPhone X and I save it. So now if we import this using the data import tool, attach the file here. This is our file uploaded. After uploading, there are few fields like update records. If you want to update the previous record, just check this field. So sometimes what happens is if you are updating the record, this field is very mandatory, name or ID. So you have to specifically add the name. So if you are updating any previous records, and if this field is not given in the template, so what it does, it creates a new item. So, for example, if you are only updating the older fields and you don't want to create any new record, so you can also click on this one. But since we are updating the older records and we are also creating some more records, so I will not update it. Okay. So now, one more issue is updating the images of your item. So I have also added the path of few item images. So we just check whether that's updated in the item. So this is our update records. Final item. So we have attached the file. So we will start import. Okay. So dashboard. So this is successful. Okay. Now after there is one import low, and if you want to show errors, just click on this because in this data in this data import tool you can have as number of record, as many number of record as you want to import. So there is as like previously there are 500 rows you can insert in a single data import. So there is no limits here. You can add as many as records in a single file. So this is updated. Okay, so let's check this. Reload this. Okay, so here it comes. Apple iPhone X. So let's check the images of all previous fields. This is Amazon Kindle. So here is the item is patch, and okay. So this is one feature. Another feature is let's say we are importing some sales order. Okay. Download template all. Okay, so I think I just forgot to add the data here. So let's close this. Okay, let me download quickly the sales order. All first checking whether there is any sales order in my site. Okay, there isn't any sales order. Um, okay, then select the customers. So if you select the customers, okay, this is already downloaded template of customer. So if you just import it, and all the process will be same. Actually, I'm just trying to, okay, sales order. Let's try purchase order. If there is some data. Okay, great. So in purchase order, there are some data. So this is purchase order. Download template with all the columns and along with the data. Okay. Save it. Now let's say we want to change few things. What we can change is, okay, so customer email address. Let's say we want to change this one. It's, yeah, okay, so we will save it and just import it. So all these records are previously created, but I'm not checking the update record because if I don't check the update record, the error will come. Since ID is provided in our template, so let me show you. Okay, this is our purchase order. So in the purchase order, ID is given in all the rows. So if I'm just trying to add new purchase order with the same data, so error will come. So I just want to show you this feature, skip rows with errors. So if you just select on skip rows with errors, so what it will do is um, it will commit all the data, whatever. If suppose you are importing the 10,000 rows and there are 4 or 5 rows in which there are some errors. So previously what happens is all the data will be rolled back and nothing will be saved. So if you click on this skip rows with error, so what it will do is it will just save all the data, and the rows in which there are some error, it will just create another template file along with the error data. So let's say, okay, skip rows with data. So just start import. So okay, so here it comes. This is partially successful. So if we just check on the rows, so duplicate name purchase order. Yes, of course, it should be there. So due to the duplicate name, the error is coming. So we can just, another file is generated, which will contain the error data, templated error data. So you can just download this file and change this file and import it in another data import. So this is the current functionality. So